Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to verify your Bitcoin on your PayPal account. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps necessary to start using Bitcoin seamlessly within PayPal. Let's begin with setting up your PayPal account. If you don't have an account, go to the PayPal website or download the app and follow the prompts to create an account. Once your account is ready, it's time to add your Bitcoin wallet. Navigate to the Wallet section of PayPal and select Add Cryptocurrency. For security reasons, PayPal requires you to verify your identity. Prepare necessary documents like your ID and address proof. Next, link your bank account or a card to facilitate easy transactions. Head to the payment options in your account and follow the instructions. Now that everything is set up, let's explore the Bitcoin section in PayPal. Here, you'll find options to buy, sell, or transfer Bitcoin. With your wallet linked and identity verified, complete the verification process by following on-screen prompts. It usually takes just a few minutes. If you encounter any issues, check out PayPal's support section. Common problems include verification delays or wallet integration errors. In conclusion, using Bitcoin with PayPal can open new financial opportunities. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be ready to go in no time.